Hey there, is your iPhone's calculator app acting up and not functioning as it should? That can be super annoying, especially when you need it for quick calculations. But don't worry, I've got your back with some straightforward solutions to help you get that calculator app back on track. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Force quit the calculator app. Sometimes a simple restart of the app can fix minor issues. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher or double-click the home button if you have an older iPhone. Next, find the calculator app in the list. Then, swipe up on the calculator app card to close it. Now, go back to your home screen and reopen the calculator app to see if it's working correctly. Solution 2. Check for software updates. Running outdated software can lead to app problems. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, tap on General. Then select Software Update. If you see that an update is available, go ahead and tap Download and Install. Once your device finishes updating, restart your iPhone. Finally, check to see if the calculator app is functioning as it should. Solution 3. Reinstall the calculator app. If the app is still acting up, you might need to reinstall it. Locate the calculator app on your home screen. Then press and hold the app icon until a menu pops up and select Remove App. Tap Delete App to confirm the action. Next, head over to the App Store. Search for the calculator app to reinstall it. After the installation, open the app again to see if it's working properly now. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Resetting your settings might help clear up any hidden issues without deleting your personal data. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on General and scroll down. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Confirm your selection. Keep in mind that this will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, but it won't delete your apps or data. Finally, after the reset, reopen the calculator app to check if it's functioning correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve with any issues with the calculator app on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.